Hello students, welcome back. Now we will take our last exercise 4.5 with some special cases for the construction of the quadrilaterals. Now starting with the first question. We need to construct a square. Read READ. So square, all the angles are 90 degree and all the sides are equal. So this is now READ. RE is already given to us. This is 5.1 centimeter. So with this we will proceed now. So suppose this is the length of 5.1 centimeter. So this is now simplest case. So first of all we will draw an arc of 90 degree from each point. So this is now R and E. This point is R and this point is E. So we will draw an arc of 90 degree from both the points. So draw the angles of 90 degree now. So we will join this intersection of the arcs now. Now from here we will cut a length equal to the 5.1 because all the sides are equal in the case of the square. So we will cut a length equal to this same RE. RE is 5.1. So with the same arc we will cut this length, and again from there same this line will be cutted. Now we will join this all points. So we will produce this little further and we will join these two intersecting points. So this is now RE, A and D. So these angles are 90 degree and this side is 5.1 centimeter and this is also 5.1 centimeter. So this is the required square for us. So now coming to the second question. We need to construct a rhombus whose diagonals are. So suppose this is a rhombus and diagonals are already given to us. So suppose we take this rhombus as AB, CD and diagonals are given as 5.2 and 6.4. Suppose this is 5.2 centimeter and this is 6.4 centimeter. So first of all we will draw a diagonal. Suppose this is the diagonal AC 6.4 centimeters. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this diagonal because in rhombus diagonals intersect each other at 90 degree. So we will draw this point of means this perpendicular bisector of this. So taking more than half distance we will draw an arc. So again from this point so this is the now perpendicular bisector for us. So this is the perpendicular bisector. Now from this we will cut half of the length of this. So 5.2 half कितना होगा 2.6. So we'll cut a length of 2.6 from this. So this will be now 2.6, and the same length over here, this will be now again 2.6. So we'll join these points, the opposite vertices with this intersection points. So now these are joined. So this is now A, B, C and D. This is now 5.2 centimeters, and here it is 90 degree. So this is the required rhombus for us. Now coming to the question number 3, we need to construct a rectangle whose adjacent sides are 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and in case of rectangle all the angles are equal, they are of 90 degree. So with this detail we will proceed now. Suppose we draw a side of length 5 centimeter. So this is now A, B, 5 centimeter, and from this A and B point we will draw an angle of 90 degree now. Similarly from here we will draw angle of 90 degree. So this is 90 degree angle, and this is also the 90 degree angle now. Now from this another side is the 4 centimeter. So now we will cut an arc equal to the 4 centimeter. This side is the 4 centimeter. So from both the sides we will cut an arc equal to the 4 centimeter now. So this is now 4 centimeter, and same this is 4 centimeter. Now we will join these points. So these points will be now C and D. So this is C and this is D. So this is the required rectangle. This is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and obviously this will be now 5 centimeter. So this is the required rectangle, and with each angle, this is 90 degree, we can mark 90 degree, and this is also the 90 degree. Now coming to the question number 4, we need to draw a parallelogram OK, Y. So in parallelogram opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. So OK, this is A, Y. So this is now 5.5 centimeters, and KA is 4.2 centimeter, and so this is now OKY. OK is given and KA is given. Is it unique? So we need to draw a parallelogram now. So first of all, we will draw this O and K, 5.5 centimeters. So from K, so now see that from K we will draw an arc equal to the 4.2. So this is now 4.2, and from here also we will draw an arc equal to the 4.2. Now see that we will draw equal angles. So whatever angles is drawn over here, we can produce this side now. So we can draw any angle over here. So this side is now produced. So this is meeting at this point. This is point A. So whatever the angle drawn over here, the same angle will be over here. So I'll draw with the same arc over here also. So these are now corresponding angles. We can produce this little further. So this is now side. Now from here, whatever is this angle, the same angle will be drawn from this point. Now equal to this arc will cut. Now this line will be produced further. So this we have made a corresponding angle now. So where these are meeting, we'll join this point. This is now Y. So this is the required parallelogram OKAY. We have made these corresponding angles as equal. So this is the required parallelogram for us. So with this we have finished our this chapter construction. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक जो भी पढ़ाया आपको समझ में आया होगा. इन केस अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरीज है आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे से सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.